you guys? Welcome back. Welcome to my first vlog. Ulit nga. What's up you guys? Welcome to my first vlog. So we're cooking tinola. By the way, my name is Ian Stanley Acobias. Yun lang po. So let's cook. Aray ko. First, I prepare all the ingredients. Place your large pot on the medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to the hot pot. Next, add the garlic, onion, ginger, and prepare chicken pieces. Stir the chicken around to coat it with the oil and aromatic. And add all the seasoning. For about 5 to 7 minutes. Fully pour cups of water. Cover the pot and let the tinola simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Continue simmer, cover for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Uncover the pot and taste the tinola. And finally, you can serve to your loved ones. Thanks for watching.